Well, that was timely. I didn't expect the clock to go off before I started the video. Hi, little darling. This baby is going to be named Jenga, and I think it's a boy. We'll find out when I get him out of the trap and see. Okay, I got you in my lap. Now I wonder if I can check gender without you getting away. Let's see what we got down here on the tail end. Is it a little boy or is it a girl? Oh, it's a boy, just like I suspected. I'm sorry, guys, terrible video work. But here, let's put it at the right perspective here. And I can hear his brother chirping, saying, let me see my brother. Anyway, Jenga baby, let's put you back in. Okay? Come here. There you are. Sorry with the terrible camera work, everyone. I'm just going to scruff him and pass him up to his brother and say, why don't you guys sit in the bed? Well, did you even notice your brother's in there yet? Show him. Show him it's safe to play here. You shouldn't be in the litter box playing, though. Let me stand up. Scamp. Hi. Welcome to Soft Beds and Happy Life. Yeah, I know the cage seems scary at first, but you'll be fine. You'll be just fine. Get out of the litter box, silly Uno. Uno no more. Now you have your Jenga with you. Hi, buddy. Reunion of the brothers. There you go. There, what do you think? Sweet babies. It'll be okay. Let's show him some food. Let's show him some yummy food. Smell that? Look, when you turn around, you'll smell it. Oh, he's gonna climb and hide. No, you can't do that. I'll get you back in with your brother.